Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ever wish the header would stick as you scroll? Today, I'll show you how to create a sticky header in JupyterX using Elementor, so your navigation is always within reach. And if you're new here, JupyterX is a WordPress theme that supports Elementor, no Elementor Pro needed, with 200,000 plus users, 450 plus ready sites, and WooCommerce features that replace many paid plugins. Before we start, note this works only when simplicity mode is enabled. Let's dive in. Okay, as you can see, when I scroll down, the header disappears. What we're going to do is make this header stick to the top so it's always visible as you scroll down the page. Let's get started. Now let's jump over to the JupyterX dashboard. Alright, we're now in the JupyterX dashboard, where we can start tweaking the header settings. Alright, now that we're in the JupyterX dashboard, let's move on to editing the header by clicking the Edit button. This will fire up Elementor, where we can visually tweak our header. Okay, Elementor's loaded up with our header, ready for editing. Now we can really dig in and customize things. Next, let's dive into the header settings by clicking on the gear icon at the top. This opens the header settings panel, where you can adjust your site's header behavior. Alright, let's set the header behavior. I'm going to click the normal setting here, and switch it to sticky so that the header sticks to the top of the page as we scroll. The offset setting determines how far you need to scroll down the page before the sticky header appears. Let's type the value directly into the input field. Now that we've configured the sticky header, let's hit publish. With that, we can check out the live site to see our sticky header in action. And I'm going to reload the page. Now, as I scroll down, you'll see that the header appears after scrolling a bit. It sticks right at the top. This is precisely the sticky header effect we were aiming for. The header appears when scrolling down. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to create a sticky header in JupyterX with Elementor. This simple tweak can make a huge difference in user experience. Go ahead and try it out on your own site, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome WordPress tips and tricks. See you in the next video.